Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is minimum distance to the target element. And what is given in the problem is like given an integer array nums and two integers target and start. Find an index I such that the nums of I equals to target and absolute difference of I and start is minimized. Note that ABSX is the absolute value of X. We need to return the absolute difference between the I and start, and it is guaranteed that the target exists in num. So we will be giving nums in input. We will be given the target and start index. So if I will take an example like nums array, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 9, something like this, and target is 2 and start is 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the index. So our target is 2, start is 3, and nums array we have given. So what we need to find? We need to find this target value, which is at minimum distance from the start index. Start index is here. If we will try to, there are basically, if you will see, there are two values. One is at index 0 and one is at index 4. So if we will try to find for 0, so what will be the absolute difference between the start and that index? It will be 3 minus 0. It will be 3. And for 4, if we will try to find start value is 3 and this index value is 4. So this is 1. So what is the minimum answer we got? We got minimum answer as 1. So we can return 1 as our answer. Now, if we will see the constraint, it is given that nums.len start from 1 to 1000. So nums.len start from 1 to 1000. That means 10 to the power 3. So we can go till n square time complexity also. We can make our solution. But if you will see, we don't need to make it till big of n square. We can make it in big of n also, and it is also marked as easy also. So we don't need to do much. We can solve it with directly with the brute force approach. So if I will try to solve the first example. So what is given in the first example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Initially, what we need to find the maximum difference between the start index and the index where this target value is there. We need to find the absolute difference of this value. So if you will see, we need to find the difference of the index, start and some other index. So what can be the maximum possible value for this? Maximum possible value will be n, which is equals to the length of the array. How it will be length? Because that start and target value index will be range from 0 to n minus 1. So maximum that value can go till n only, or not till n also. It will go maximum till n minus 1 also. So if we will initialize our value with n, what is n? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So answer, if we will initialize with 5, and we can start for this array. This array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Start is 3. So start is here, and target is 5. So we'll try to find the value, target value 5, and we will traverse from this array. If we will try to find for 1. 1 is equals to 5, no. 2 is equals to 5, no. 3 equals to 5, no. 4 equals to 5, no. 5 equals to 5, yes. We will get the nums value. So what we will do is, its index is 4. So what we will do, we will try to find the absolute value for these two indices. So it will be 3 minus 4. So it will be 1. And we will take the minimum value of answer, comma, absolute value that we got. So answer value is 5 and minimum, and this absolute value is 1. So what will be the minimum value? Minimum value is 1. So we can return 1 as our answer. Same we will do for this nums array is this. target is 1. So target is 1 means we need to find 1 and it is start from the 0th index. So answer we will initialize with 1 and what we will do is like we will try to traverse this array. So 1 is equals to 1, yes. We will try to find the absolute value. So start is 0 minus the index of the 1 value in index is 0 only. The absolute value is 0 only. Sorry. So it will be equals to 0 only. So answer equals to minimum of answer comma 0. 1 comma 0 minimum will be 0. So we can return 0 in our answer. So we will go with the solution. Solution is pretty easy only. We have not done anything. Just we declared this. Uh, we have declared this nums. We have declared this nums array and answer we initialized with the maximum possible value. What is the maximum possible value? Maximum possible value is n. And we will start traversing from 0 to n. If we will get the target, what we will do is like we will minimize our answer value. Answer equals to minimum of answer comma absolute of start minus I. So yeah, at the end of the loop, we can return simply answer. The time complexity in this case will be big of n only because we are using only one for loop. The space complexity, if you will try to see, the space complexity will be big of 1 only because we are not using any extra space. Integer are only there, but integer space is like constant only. So the space complexity is big of n. Okay, so thank you.